Welcome to our simple guide to avoiding the most common mistakes when making an application to HM Land Registry. If you're thinking about making an application to HM Land Registry, we always recommend using a legal professional to help. The law around land registration is complicated and can be difficult to understand. And if the property is mortgaged, the lender might insist you use a conveyancer. But if you are planning to lodge an application with us, we have some useful tips to help you avoid making basic or costly mistakes. Mistakes and missing items stop us from completing applications and cause delays. Tip number 1. Are you sure? Only proceed if you are confident that you understand the legal and financial implications of what you are doing and the application you're making. If you are ever unsure about any aspect of any application, do consider seeking legal advice. This could be from a solicitor, conveyancer, or citizen's advice. We cannot give legal advice. HM Land Registry staff cannot offer legal advice, but we can give guidance on procedure. This means we cannot tell you what application you should make, but if you know what you want to apply for, we can tell you how to make the application. Tip number 2. Always look at the register before you make an application. Check that all the details are accurate. If not, you should apply to correct them. If you don't have the property title register, in most cases you can find information about a registered property by using our Search for Land and Property Information service, available on gov.uk. You can download copies of a summary showing details about the property, or buy a copy of the title plan and title register. This will help you to identify any entries in the register that may affect your application. You might need to address these before making your application. You might also need to look at the deeds we have on file for the property or land. If Search for Land and Property Information does not reveal your property, you can apply for an official search of the index map using Form SIM. For more information about this, please watch our video, How to Find Information About Land and Property, or visit our gov.uk page, Get Information About Property and Land. If your property is not registered, you should have the original documents and deeds, which we also refer to as title deeds. You will need to register the property before we can record or update any details in the land register. Tip number 3. Use the right form. When looking for HM Land Registry information, always make sure you're on gov.uk and that you use the correct form for the application you are making. In most cases, you'll need to complete an application form. This is usually Form AP1 to apply to change the register. But use Form FR1 if you're registering the property for the first time. People sometimes use the wrong form to sell property or land and transfer it from one owner to another. For example, if you are selling the whole of your property, use a Form TR1, Transfer of Whole, along with Application Form AP1. But if you are selling only part of your property, such as a part of your garden, you should use a Form TP1 for a transfer of part, as well as Application Form AP1. Watch our video, Which Form Do I Need?, for more information about our forms. Tip number 4. Complete and correct forms. Always use printed text or write in black ink using block capitals. Use the helpful explanatory notes next to the panels. Complete all the relevant panels in each form you use. Our video guides, available on our public guidance playlist on YouTube, will help you. And please make sure you include your name and address in full, so we can get in touch with you if we need to. It's particularly important that you provide the name and address of the person sending us the application. Use full names and include all middle names. Do not use initials. If the names in the forms do not match the names in the register, please tell us why and provide evidence of the correct name, for example, a marriage certificate. For help finding the correct fee, use our fees guide on gov.uk. It includes a fee calculator. Search online for HMLR fees. Tip number 5. Use our guidance. Follow all the available guidance on our public guidance page on gov.uk and our YouTube channel. Although intended for lawyers and conveyancers, you might also find some useful information in our webinars, which are available on the Go to Stage platform. Use our contact form for tailored guidance on a variety of topics, or put your questions to our experts on HMLR's customer forum, or head to our contact page at www.gov.uk/guidance/contact HM Land Registry if you need further help. But remember, HM Land Registry cannot provide legal advice. We can only offer advice about our procedures. Number 6. Check your application. Before you send your application, check you've completed all relevant panels of any form you're sending us. You've enclosed all the documents and evidence we will need to change the register, and enclosed the correct fee if required. Unless you are a legal professional and have a business account with us. Current payment options are cheque made out to HM Land Registry and postal order available from the post office. If you're unsure about any aspect of the application you're making, consider seeking legal advice. Tip number 7. Use the right address. If you do decide to make an application to HM Land Registry, please send your completed forms, documents, evidence, and any fee required by mail to HM Land Registry, Citizen Centre, at our standard address for applications. Type HMLR address into your browser. We hope you have found this information helpful. You'll find more guidance on making an application and completing our forms on our website gov.uk. For more short videos on land registration topics, subscribe to our YouTube playlist, Public Guidance, or visit our customer training hub on gov.uk for information and guidance on a variety of topics. Thank you for watching.